Hi friends, my name is Ratan. So in this video we'll discuss about the flow control statements. I think the flow control statements already 3 videos are completed here. Just check the 3 videos. First video regarding if else conditions. Second video regarding switch basics. Third video regarding switch advanced. This is a switch statement, right? That's it. The fourth video we'll discuss about the flow control statements. Flow control statements. In the flow control statements, so flow control statements. So the video class number how much here? The video class number 4. So we'll discuss about the for loop here, completely in and out regarding the for loop. Okay, when in this example our target is what? For loop. Tell me what the for loop here. The for contains 3 parts, right? For is the looping statement here. If you want to execute the data, particular data multiple times, as you know, right, from C language, CEP language, from childhood onwards you are learning, right, for loop, looping statements. Come on, in the BTech the faculty will discuss these loops only, right, first initial classes. That's it. So looping statement means if you want to execute the code repeatedly or multiple times, simply can go with what? A looping statement. See, I want Ratan 10 times here. I cannot write the SOP statement 10 times, right? System.out.println of Ratan, SOP of Ratan, SOP of Ratan. Don't write 10 times. Write Ratan 1 time, make it loop. Then Ratan is executed 10 times, right? That's it. So if you want to execute the code repeatedly or multiple times, okay, then simply can go with the looping statements. So generally, what are the looping statements? We have the for loop. What are the looping statements? We have the for loop. Next one is what? The recent version here, we have the 1.5 version. We have the for each loop. Next one is what? While loop. Next one is what? Do while loop. Last one. That's all, guys. For loop, for each loop, while loop, and do while loop. In this video, mainly I'll focus on for loop here. Tell me what is the syntax of for loop here. For is always expressed in 3 parts here. For initialization. The second one is what? Condition. The third one is what? Increment or decrement. You can take anything, increment or decrement, right? That's it. So initialization, condition, increment, decrement part, everything is okay, then body execute, right? That's it. Out of 3 parts, initialization, condition, increment or decrement, which part execute first? Initialization. Once the initialization is done, then it goes to condition. If the condition is true, goes to body. After body, immediately the control goes to increment decrement part. Okay, condition is true means body executed here. After body, increment decrement part, right? That's it. Sir, no, after body which part? Increment decrement part or not? That's it. Once the increment decrement part is completed, then again it goes to condition part. Okay, after condition is true, body part. After body, once again increment decrement part. Okay, again condition. Like that the loop is repeated until the condition is failed. Loop is repeated until the condition is failed. But initialization done how many times, sir? Only 1 time, right? That's it. Initialization done how many times, sir? Only 1 time or not? Clear, right? That's all, guys. So let me write one example. Simply see, I want to print Ratan 10 times here. Tell me the code. The system.out.println of Ratan 10 times. Ratan 10 times means I cannot write the SOP 10 times, right? Instead of writing the SOP 10 times, write the for loop condition. For initialization int I equals 0, starts with the 0. Up to I want print what? I less than 10 times. Simply can write I plus plus, right? That's it. The system.out.println Ratan. Then what happened here? First initialization I equals 0. Then check the flow of execution here. 0 less than 10. Okay, true. Control goes to Ratan. After Ratan body, increment decrement part, I plus plus. Then 0 will become 1. 1 less than 10. I plus plus. 2 become 2 less than 10. 3 less than 10. 4 less than 10. 5 less than 10. Like that the loop is repeated until the condition is what? Failed, right? Yes or no? Yeah? Until the condition is what? Failed. Like that 10 times data is printed, right? That's all. So to do the practicals, so you want Eclipse ID or you want to do the practicals normal way? So in my videos, I hope you know, first 2-3 videos I done the practicals by using Edit Plus. Next level I am using Eclipse ID. Anyway, now I will write the code by using Eclipse ID here. Okay, that's it. So to do the practicals, just open the Eclipse ID. This is the Eclipse ID. The present version here, I am using Oxygen version here. As you know versions, right? What is the version alphabetical order? This is a full screen. If you want full screen, just click on full screen. So I, J, K. So initially H is there, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, right? That's all. Alphabetical order here, that's it. Alphabetical order. H means initial version here, long back, we have the Helios. Okay, which one here? Helios, right? I means what? Simply can go with the Indigo. J means what? So Juno. K means what? Simply can write the Kepler, right? L means Luna. M means Mars, right? So N means neon. Okay, O means what? Oxygen, right? Oxygen. P means what? Photon. The present version is a photon here. But anyhow, we'll do the oxygen. Oxygen also obviously latest version, right? That's it. So we'll do the practicals based on oxygen here. Once you open Eclipse, it is asking workspace here. So I'm saving my application in local disk EF Java applications. In this location, I want do my practicals. Just click on OK. Eclipse oxygen. Previously, I think at wrapper class also I'm doing the same workspace F location only. Java applications. Okay, just it is loading all the files. This is the previous cases here. Check the wrapper classes concept if you want. So initially you will get the welcome file here. Just to close that welcome file. Close that welcome file. Right hand side you may get the task list and your outline, right? That's also not required. You can close it. I opened Java Eclipse ID here. Maybe some guys are downloaded JW Eclipse ID also. Some guys are downloaded JW Eclipse ID, right? Good. So to change the prospect here, maybe in your machine here in above you can check it. Maybe Java Eclipse or JW Eclipse. Guys, if you are in Java Eclipse ID, that is okay because core Java is Java Eclipse ID, right? That's it. If you want to change the Ratan sir, in my system, it is showing the JEE. I want to change to Java. In the right hand side, you have the open prospective. Just open the prospective. You want which one here? They are there in JEE means just select the Java. Select the Java. Click on OK. Then this is Java Eclipse ID, right? That's it. See, first of all, here you have to create your own project here. How to create the project? New. Go to the file menu, new Java project. The project name here. Simply can write the flow control statements. So no, the flow control statements, right? That's it. Just click on finish button. Then flow control statements project is created, right? Yes or no? Project is created. Just here, open it. So here the button is there. Just right click here. Click on here. SRC folder is there, and the SRC we have to create your own class. Then how to create the class? Just right click here, new. I want the class. So every class starts with the package here because package is nothing but folders. These folders are created. In that folders the data will be stored. Then give the class name. I give the class name is test class. I want main method. Just click on main method. Click on finish. Right. That's it. So initially maybe you will get the font size very low. If you want to increase the font size also, go to the Windows preferences. So directly here you can type the font. Then go to the colors and font. In the colors and font you will get the basic font. This is basic generally. You will get like this. In the basic at the end you can go with the text font. Click on edit. Just to select your size here. I selected 14 bold italic, right? That's okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. If you want to maximize the screen, just double click here. Minimize, double click here. Just double click here. That's it. Screen is maximized, right? Here I want to write the for loop. That's it, guys. So what is the for loop here? For expecting how many values? First initialization, condition, initialization what? Condition and increment, decrement part, right? Good. See, if you want to write the for loop, just for control space. Like it is showing for, right? You can place the data. Int I equals 0. I less than how much data? 10 times. Then I plus plus, right? Yes, sir. This is called initialization part, condition part, increment, decrement part. In Eclipse side, so Eclipse side is almost all generate the code here. For just control space, you can type control space. Just select the for, just click on enter. Select the for, click on enter. Then for loop is generated, right? That's it. So for int I equals 0, I less than, this is standard, right? That's it. For I less than 10, I plus plus. Simply can print the data. To print a SOP statement, sysout control space. Sysout control space. Just you can print the data. I want print Ratan, right? Ratan. So Ratan equal to plus I want print I value. I is nothing but index, right? That's it. Then you can please run this code. To run this code, we have 3 options. Option number 1, right click here, just run as Java applications. Yes or no, run as Java application, right? That's it. 0 to 9 is printed, right? 10 less than 10, it's a false, right? The 10 is not executed. Otherwise, second option is directly run button is there here. Just click on run. Then you get the 10 times same output. Otherwise, so simply can go to the project. Under the project, just right click here, run as Java application. The same output will get, right, in the below. That's all. If you want to maximize this one, just click on this one, right? This is a basic code. This is a basic points. This is called what? Your case 1 regarding the for loop. For contains how many parts here? Total 3 parts: initialization, condition, increment, decrement part, right? That's all. So flow control statements here. Video class number 4. We are doing for loop. We are doing the practicals based on Eclipse ID. In Eclipse ID, you know how to create the project, how to create the classes and everything, right? That's good. And the case 2. Coming to the case 2, I removed the initialization part here. I placed initialization outside here. Then tell me, now initialization part is optional, mandatory? Initialization part is optional, mandatory? Good. But initialization part is optional actually. Initialization part is optional, but semicolon is mandatory. Here semicolon is there, right? Good. Just click on run button here. Then how many times data is printed? 10 times, right? That's it. Now we are talking about initialization part here. So initialization part is optional, mandatory here. So initialization part is what? So initialization part is what? Optional, right? That's it. Good. And you can write the case 3. What is case 3 here? Case 3. So in the initialization part, I will write the SOP statement. Sys just a control space. In SOP statement, I will write Ratan. I will write otherwise Durga. Tell me, in the initialization part, I written the SOP statement. This is valid or invalid? Initialization part, I written the SOP statement. Most of the guys says invalid here, but unfortunately this is valid. Don't ask what is the use, but the valid is valid point, right? That's it. But initialization execute how many times? Initialization done how many times? Only one time, right? It means Durga is executed how many times? Only one time. That's it. Simply run this code. Durga printed one time, right? Not exactly one SOP here. You can write the multiple SOPs. Every SOP is separated with the comma. Okay, Durga simply can make it no. Every separated with what? Comma here. Simply just save it, just run it. Durga and Ratan, right? Durga and Anu, right? Execute only one time here. Why execute one time? Because initialization done only one time, right? That's it. So we can declare SOP statements here, no issues, right? We can declare SOP statements. That's all. So in front of the video, don't sit ideal. My dear student, just to take the pen and paper, note on all the points. You will get some beautiful notes. Sir, no, yeah. That's it. And case 4. What is the case 4 here? What is the case 4? Tell me here. Case 4, right? The case 4 here, I will go for the initialization part itself. Now I am talking about initialization part, right? That's it. So remove this code here, remove this code. Okay. That's all, guys. In this case, what is the output now? For int I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, right? That's it. See here, I am declaring one more initialization. Int j equal to also 0. Now what is the output? Tell me here. It's saying error message, right? Clearly. What is the error message? Syntax errors on token int. Delete this token. It's saying declaration of the data types 2 times not allowed here. In the initialization part, it is possible to declare only one initialization. But here you done how many initialization here? 2 initializations, right? This is invalid. Eclipse ID means auto compilation, right? It automatically shows error message immediately. Red mark. Syntax error, right? That's it. This is valid invalid case where invalid. So this is what invalid, right? How many initialization allowed here? Only one initialization is allowed. Okay, but the possibility is there. Just you can place the cursor, remove this token, right? Remove this token. One variable with multiple values are valid. One data type with multiple variables are allowed. That is no issue. See, declaration of the data type 2 times not allowed here. But one variable, one data type with multiple variables are allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Perfect. No issues. Why point is clear. Declaration of the data type multiple times not allowed here. But one data type with multiple variables are allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Simply can run it, you will get the output, right? That's it. Then what is the conclusion here? This is a valid case. So one data type with multiple variables are allowed, right? That's it. If you want, just you can note on the points. What are the points you feel important, just take that points. And if you have any queries, you can write the comment. Otherwise, send the request to my mail ID. I will forward the material to your mail ID. Just you can check the material also, no issues. But like the videos and comment the videos. Subscribe to our channel to get the more updates, right? So no, that's it. There's a case number how much? Case number 4 is done. That's probably initialization part. Initialization part is over. So finally decided initialization part is optional, but semicolon is mandatory. Second one is what? You can declare multiple SOP statements. Every SOP is separated with the comma. Third one is what? Multiple initializations are not allowed, but one data type with multiple variables are allowed. Okay, multiple declaration of data types not allowed, but one data type with multiple variables are allowed, right? That's it. And case 5, I will talk about the conditional part. When you have done the initialization part, then condition part. Just let me remove this condition here, then tell me condition is mandatory, optional. Condition is mandatory, optional. Most of the guys condition is saying mandatory, right? But condition is optional, unfortunately. Wait, condition is mandatory, optional here, this is optional. Condition is optional, yeah? But here, if you are not declaring any condition, the default condition will be the true actually. If you are not declaring any condition, the default condition is what? True, right? The compiler will place the true condition here. It is a true means what happened? Loop keep on execute, right? True, 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 true. Keep on loop execute or not? Just run it. You'll get the data infinite times. Like data is what? Infinite times. Here red button is there, right? Stop it. Stop the termination, right? Like that. So then what a conclusion here? Condition part is optional. If you are not declaring the condition, the default condition is what? True. Who will place the true here? Compiler, right? So the default condition is true. Default condition is what? True, provided by compiler, right? That's it. We clear. These are basic examples. Case number 6. What is case number 6 now? Coming to the case number 6, I'll talk about the increment decrement part. Coming to the increment initialization part is there, condition part is there, increment decrement part. Let me remove the increment decrement part here. I'll place the code here. Tell me, in this place increment decrement part is optional, mandatory? Here optional. Simply want you can run this code. You'll get the data 10 times, right? It means increment decrement part is optional. That points if you want you can note down here. So increment part is decrement part is what? Optional, right? That's it. What next one here? Case number 7. So in the increment decrement part, you can declare the SOP statements also. But in the condition part, you cannot declare the SOP statements here because the condition must be Boolean condition, right? It must return either true or false. The condition must be what? Boolean condition or not. That's all, guys. So in the increment decrement part, we can declare multiple SOPs also. Every SOP is separated with what? A semicolon, comma, right? Every SOP is separated with what? Comma, right? That's all. Now tell me in this case, what is the output? Then in this case, what is the output? Yeah? So in the some of the students, they are saying Ratan 10 times, Durga 10 times, Ratan 10 times, Durga 1 time. They are saying like that here. But tell me what is the output in this case? I equals 0, I less than 10. 0 less than 10. True. True means Ratan is printed, right? Check the flow of execution clearly. First I equals 0, 0 less than 10. True. True means what? Body executed. Then I plus plus, 0 become 1. After this is called body, right? After body, control goes to increment decrement part. Here which one is there? Durga is there. Then Durga is executed, right? Then which one executed here? Durga, right? Then Ratan, Durga. Ratan, Durga. Ratan, Durga. So data is printed in what? Alternate way, right? That's it. Simply you can check it. Ratan, Durga, Ratan, Durga, Ratan, Durga, Ratan, Durga, right? 10 times data is printed. So in the increment decrement part, it is possible to declare the SOP statement. One SOP or multiple SOPs here. Multiple SOPs are allowed. Every SOP is separated with the comma. Every SOP is separated with the what? Comma, right? That's it. So that's all, guys. Total how many cases done total here? 7 cases are done. Good. The last case here, one more case here, the case number 8. Come to the case number 8. So in this video we'll discuss about the 8 cases here. So the still for loop is not completed. We'll discuss the another video. Okay, good. What is the next case is for I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, rather now 5, everything is fine, right? Simply run this code. You'll get the output is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Data is executing fine, right? Tell me, you said initialization part is optional, right? Sir, no. You said conditional part is optional, mandatory. Optional, right? Sir, no. You said increment decrement part is optional, mandatory. Optional, right? That's it. You said 3 parts are optional. I removed 3 parts here. Now what is the output? Tell me. Output is also optional. So no, you said initialization part is optional, I removed. Conditional part is optional, I removed. Increment decrement part is optional, I removed. In this case, what is output? Output is also optional, but you'll get the output, right? What is the output, man? You'll get the output is infinite times, right? Why? As you know, right? Here no condition. There is no condition means what the default condition? True, right? Who given the true? Compiler, right? So no, the default condition is what? Default condition. The default condition true. The default condition true means data is printed how many times here? Infinite times, right? Wait, default condition is true, so the data is printed how many times here? Infinite times or not? That's all, guys. So that's all about this video. Total how many cases we done? 8 cases. Some more cases are there. Unreachable statement. Next example is what? Case number 9. The case number 9 is unreachable statement. Unreachable is very important. The control is unable to reach the particular area. That area is called what? Unreachable statement. That one we'll discuss in next video. Okay. So in this video, the flow control statements, how many videos done here total? Up to now we done how many videos? Total 4, right? First video, if else condition. Second video, switch basic. Second next video, switch advanced. Fourth video, for loop. So no, that's it. Clear? So thanks for watching, and like the video and comment the video, and subscribe to our channel to get the more updates. Thank you guys. Bye.